Throughout history, some saints proclaimed the gospel through preaching, while others served through works of charity. Saint Bonaventure guided countless souls to God through the depth of his wisdom, the gentleness of his heart, and his remarkable humility. A brilliant theologian, Franciscan leader, bishop, and cardinal, he constantly taught that all true knowledge should lead us to love Christ more deeply. Saint Bonaventure, born John of Fidanza around 1221 in Bagneregio, Italy, experienced a serious illness as a child. According to an ancient Franciscan tradition, his mother prayed for the intercession of Saint Francis of Assisi, and the boy was miraculously healed. Tradition says that Saint Francis exclaimed, "O Buonaventura! What a happy destiny," giving rise to the name Bonaventure. As a young man, Bonaventure traveled to the University of Paris, one of Europe's greatest centers of learning. His remarkable intelligence quickly became evident, yet he remained humble and deeply devoted to prayer. Soon afterward, he entered the Franciscan Order, convinced that true wisdom is found by following Christ in humility and simplicity. While studying and teaching in Paris, Bonaventure became respected for combining profound theological insight with genuine holiness. His students admired not only his knowledge but also the peace and charity that shaped his entire life. In 1257, the Franciscan brothers elected him Minister General of the Order. At a time of internal tensions, Bonaventure wisely preserved unity by encouraging the friars to remain faithful to the original spirit of Saint Francis of Assisi. His leadership strengthened the order throughout Europe. Alongside his leadership, Bonaventure wrote some of the greatest works of medieval theology and spirituality. He demonstrated that faith and reason work together in the search for truth and that all learning reaches its highest purpose when it leads the soul to God. For this reason, he would later be honored as a doctor of the Church. In 1273, Pope Gregory X appointed Bonaventure Cardinal Bishop of Albano. A beloved tradition tells that when the papal messengers arrived carrying the cardinal's red hat, they found Bonaventure quietly washing dishes in the monastery. With characteristic humility, he asked them to hang the hat on a nearby tree until he had finished his work. This simple gesture beautifully revealed the greatness of his character. The following year, Bonaventure played a leading role at the Second Council of Lyon, working tirelessly to promote reconciliation between the Eastern and Western churches. His wisdom, prudence, and charity earned the admiration of everyone present. During the council, Bonaventure became seriously ill. On July 15, 1274, he peacefully surrendered his soul to God, surrounded by his fellow Franciscans. The Church mourned the loss of one of its greatest theologians and spiritual masters. After his death, Bonaventure's writings continued to inspire generations of theologians, priests, religious, and lay faithful. His works remain treasured guides for anyone seeking a deeper relationship with Christ. In 1482, Pope Sixtus IV canonized Saint Bonaventure. Later, in 1588, Pope Sixtus V proclaimed him a doctor of the Church, recognizing the lasting value of his theological and spiritual teaching. Today, Saint Bonaventure reminds us that true wisdom is never separated from humility. The more we come to know God, the more we learn to love, to serve, and to place others before ourselves. His life continues to inspire students, teachers, theologians, and every Christian who desires to unite knowledge with holiness. Saint Bonaventure teaches that the greatest learning is not simply understanding God but allowing His love to transform our hearts.